morning, madam. Please, can you introduce yourself to us and show us the processes of this production?
Good morning. This is Mark Enterprise. We specialize on school shoe, and today I'm going to be taking you through the process of our production line. This is the cutting department where we cut the parts of the shoe, from the lining to the upper to the insole pad, insole board, everything that has to do with cutting. This is where it starts from. So, and the next stage is the cutting area. Let's go there.
Before we go to the cutting area, can I know the type of leather that this is it? Which one is the lining? Which one is the...
This is the lining. This is genuine soft calf leather. This lining is very soft because if you are using a thick material, it will not be easy for the person to actually last them. So we use the soft material for the inner part of the shoe. Then we use this material for the outer part of the shoe. This material is actually a PU leather. Then so we use it because it's very durable, it's very soft and comfortable. Because since we are working with kids, so we need something that is very soft, very durable, and very
breathable.
Yes.
Breathable. Okay, that's nice. Okay. What happens here?
This is the sewing area. This is where we sew.
Okay. I can see they are sewing those. I think that's the buckle strap.
Yes, that's the buckle strap. She's sewing the buckle strap, and this is also one of our tailors where she sews some of the other parts. So this is just the sewing area. Then after this area, where they put the pieces together, they bring it to the gumming section where they assemble it, they apply gum and they assemble it into a particular shape like this. Then they move it back to the tailoring department to sew it around before it's being moved to the lasting department.
Lasting department. What's lasting?
This is when the shoe is placed on the last like this. This last has different sizes. So this is the last that determines what size you are working on and what shape. Because this particular material, it does not have a shape yet until it is being placed on the last. So the last give it the shape, the form, and how it's supposed to look like. So without this last, you cannot do shoe making. This is very, very important stage.
Okay. So what happens here?
After when it has already been last, it's moved to the oven to heat it up, because the gum that we use cannot work without heat. It only activates when it goes through heat. So after when it goes through that heat and is being placed together, we take it to the pressing machine, and the pressing machine helps to press it so that the gum on the sole and the upper meets and is firm. So after that, they will move it to this table where they clean it, they polish it, they make it ready. Then it's being packaged like this. So this is how the finished product is.
You have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so I'm just going to open one for you to see how the the finished product look like. You can see. So this is this process now does not just start here. It starts from that cutting area to the sewing area to the gumming to the last. So you see that it has so many procedures. It also goes through filing. We have filing section too. It files the shoe so that it can be properly gummed. So before it gets to this stage.
Can you show me one of the filing sections? Tell me how you file. Okay, this is the filing machine.
Yes, this is the filing machine.
Okay.
You just put it on. Then like now, these shoes are ready for filing. We have to file because if you check now, this surface is very smooth. This surface is very smooth. So if we want to file, we will file it so that we can be able to put gum on it. So like you can see now, that's what it is doing. We will roughen this area so that it can be able to accommodate gum. If not, the gum will not stay on it.
Can you tell me a little more about the product? How strong is it?
It's very durable. This product, as you are seeing it, so consider so many things. If you check this part of the shoe now, it's very soft because we realize that most shoes that we see in the market today, when the children wear it, it starts to give them blisters in this part of the shoe. So because of that, we introduce soft material inside this particular part. If you touch it, you see that it's like foam.
Yeah, it is.
So, and also the insole pad that we put inside is quite soft. So this thing alone gives the child comfort that you cannot get anywhere.
But how can I
Yes,
bend it?
you can bend the shoe with you. You can bend it.
Wow,
See?
this is very strong.
And this is just made. It's made in Nigeria. This is not China.
Wow, it's good to see that this kind of thing can be produced in Nigeria. I like it. Wow, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I like it.